How does a robot learn to use its whole body? Google DeepMind says the answer is a new control layer. Reuters reports Gemini Robotics 2 can move from feet to fingertips. That is a big shift from hand-only demos. The technology part is simple to say and hard to build. One model now links vision, planning, and motor control. Reuters also says Google is testing the system with Apptronik's Apollo 2 humanoid robot. That means the software is no longer staying in a lab video. The business angle is that deployment gets cheaper when setup takes hours, not weeks. DeepMind says the on-device model can adapt to a new robot in a few hours. The work angle follows fast. Warehouse pickers, assembly workers, and tool handlers are the first roles under pressure. The jobs that grow are different: robot installers, field technicians, and safety supervisors. The market angle is why investors care. Better dexterity and multi-robot coordination make robotics look more scalable. In other words, the prize is not one impressive machine. It is software that can be sold across fleets. So the answer is this: a robot learns its whole body through software that sees, plans, and moves at once. The next marker is whether Google pushes this into cloud tools and more hardware partners.